Have you ever thought of starting your own advertising and PR business? The potential is vast, with a thriving market ready to be tapped into. This video will serve as your step-by-step guide, taking an idea from conception to reality. From market research and business planning to brand development and client acquisition, we'll cover it all. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a determined newcomer, this guide will help you navigate your path. Let's delve into the steps you need to follow to kickstart your successful advertising and PR business. First things first, understand the advertising and PR landscape in your area. This is crucial because it helps you identify your target market, competitors, and potential clients. It's like being a detective in your own business story. You are gathering the pieces of the puzzle that will help you create a clear picture of where your business fits in the grand scheme of things. Now, once you've done your detective work, it's time to create your business plan. This is your blueprint, your guide, your GPS. It includes everything from your services and target market to your pricing strategy and marketing plan. Your business plan will also include your financial projections, giving you an idea of what to expect in terms of revenue and expenses. Creating a business plan might seem like a daunting task, but remember, it's your roadmap. It's what will guide you through the often complex journey of starting your own advertising and PR business. A thorough market research and comprehensive business plan are your roadmap to success. Now that you have your plan, it's time to make it official. First things first, you need to decide on a suitable legal structure for your business. This could be anything from a sole proprietorship, partnership, or even a limited liability company, each with its own set of advantages and responsibilities. Once you've made your choice, it's time to register your business with the relevant authorities. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about your brand. This is where your creativity truly comes into play. Your brand is more than just a business name, it's the embodiment of what you stand for. It's about creating a strong logo that captures attention, a catchy business name that resonates with your target market, and a website that effectively communicates your expertise and values. Remember, your brand is your promise to your customer. It's your pledge of quality, your commitment to service, and the embodiment of your company's ethos. So take your time, get it right, and watch your business thrive. With your brand in place, it's time to define what you offer. Think of your service offerings as your business's product line. What solutions can you provide to your clients' problems? Perhaps you excel in media relations, or maybe your strength lies in social media management or content creation. Whatever it is, make sure to clearly define and communicate these services. Now, on to building a portfolio. The saying "show, don't tell" is particularly relevant here. Your portfolio is a tangible demonstration of your skills and expertise. It's your opportunity to showcase your best work, even if that work comes from internships or freelance gigs. Include anything that demonstrates your creativity, strategic thinking, and ability to deliver results. This portfolio, paired with a clear definition of your services, will become a powerful tool in attracting clients and setting your business apart from the competition. Remember, your portfolio is your proof of expertise. The next step is all about making connections and attracting clients. Networking is a crucial aspect of your advertising and PR business. It's not just about who you know, it's also about who knows you. Attending industry events and joining relevant associations can open doors to potential clients, partners, and industry professionals. It's about creating relationships and fostering a sense of community. Now, let's talk about client acquisition. It's not enough to just be present in the industry. You need to be proactive. Developing a strategy to attract clients is essential. This might involve cold outreach, tapping into your existing network for referrals, or harnessing the power of content marketing to showcase your expertise and services. Don't underestimate the role of social media promotion either. It's a modern-day megaphone that can help you reach a wide audience. Remember, your network is your net worth. It's the lifeline that fuels the growth of your business. Last but not least, take care of the legal and financial aspects and never stop learning. Setting up contracts, establishing billing and invoicing processes, and ensuring compliance with tax and accounting regulations are as vital as your creative strategies. But remember, the advertising and PR landscape is ever evolving. Staying updated on industry trends and continuously improving your skills and services is key to staying competitive. Starting an advertising and PR business requires dedication, creativity, and strategic planning. But with the right approach, it can be a rewarding venture. So, are you ready to take the plunge?